What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Gmail password on both iOS and Android devices. First, open a Gmail app on your device. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon and then select Manage your Google account. This will take you to the Google account settings page. Next, swipe across the tabs at the top and tap on Security. Scroll down until you find the section labeled How you sign in to Google. Under this, tap on Password. At this point, Google will ask you to enter your current password for security purposes. If you don't remember it, tap on Try Another Way or Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps provided by Google. Once you've successfully entered your current password, you'll be prompted to create a new password. After entering and confirming your new password, tap Change Password. Your Gmail password will now be updated, and you'll need to use this new password to sign in on all devices and apps where you use your Google account. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.